Take me to this address.
Nobody can stop me.
I can't stop sneezing.
Are you fair?
Is that fair?
The food was delicious.
I am here for the first time.
This is the first time I've been here.
What did you do last night?
What should I wear?
What's the room rate?
When will the train arrive?
Where is an ATM?
Are they coming today?
Let's cross the street.
Don't play in the street.
May I have a picture?
Can I get a picture?
Did you send me a book?
Where is the bookstore?
Does he like the school?
He works in a company.
How do I use this?
What is the population of France?
I ate already.
I feel good.
I need other shoes.
Let's try another one.
I want to go for a walk.
I'll take that one also.
I'm slightly hungry.
I am terribly hungry.
I don't feel well.
Don't blame the security guard.
Your cake was delicious.
I've never done that.
I never did that.
My uncle was there.
I've heard nothing.
I have nothing to say.
Take me to the airport.
Start the car.
That's enough.
The cars are made in Germany.
This is my brother.
Which school do you read?
What's the phone number?
When does he arrive?
Where does your wife work?
Are you okay?
Can I bring my friend?
Can you speak louder, please?
How about some coffee?
Do you take credit cards?
Start the meeting now.
Finish the report today.
Email the team updates.
Schedule a conference call.
Solve the issue promptly.
Update the spreadsheet data.
Set up a presentation.
Confirm the deadline date.
Book a meeting room.
Submit the expense report.
Share the document link.
Call the client back.
Print the document, please.
Revise the draft.
Take a short break.
Organize the files neatly.
Dinner is ready.
Turn off the lights.
Close the door softly.
Take out the trash.
Set the alarm.
Feed the pet now.
Water the plants.
Family time now.
Clean up this mess.
Hang up the laundry.
Lock the front door.
Open the windows.
Sweep the floor.
Check the mail.
Buy groceries today.
Fix the leak.
Change the sheets.
Call a repairman.
Pay the bills.
Quiet, please.
Charge your phone.
Walk the dog.
Turn down the volume.
Vacuum the carpet.
Buy milk and eggs.
It's not a big deal.
Please excuse me for arriving late.
He is a mason.
I don't have enough money.
I have one in my house.
I can speak 3 languages.
If I had a house too.
I'll buy more if you like them.
I'm allergic to eggs.
I'm allergic to cats.
It's close to the market.
Let's go.
My wallet is stolen.
Open the door.
See you later.
That's too late.
There's a bank near here.
Turn right.
Call the police.
He's coming soon.
I don't have time right now.
I have a headache.
I still have to buy a lot of things.
I'd like a map of the city.
I'm American.
I'm not ready yet.
The place is north of here.
Let's go out for a walk.
Near the bank.